Welcome everyone. In this video lecture, we will solve a GATE 2023 easy question which is based on a 2 is to 1 multiplexer based logical function realization. So the question is in the circuit shown below, P and Q are the two inputs and the logical function realized by the circuit is y equals to p into q, y equals to p plus q, y equals to pq complement, y equals to p plus q complement. So this one is a 2 is to 1 multiplexer. I note is there, I1 and p is the input and q is also one input, and this will be basically a select line. So in this question, this is basically a mux. So we have to know the concept of mux. If we know the concept of mux, we can solve this question very easily. So I am just drawing the mux traditional symbol, and then we will think about how to justify this question. Say I am giving two inputs, say D0, D1, and this one is says some select line, and say I am saying 0 and 1 here, and I am saying this is 2 is to 1 mux. For this one, first we are going to write the truth table. Say I am writing S, D1, D0, and Y. Okay, so there are two possibility. So when we are saying the select line is 0, okay, select line is 0, so D1 is anything. So D naught will be 0, either D naught will be 0 and 1 and D1 will be anything. So the same D0 will come here. Okay, when the select line is 0, when S equals to 0, this D naught will appear. And when 1 is there, D1 will be either 0 or 1, and D naught may be anything 0, 1, 0, 1, or 0, 1, anything. Okay, so the same D1 will appear. This D1 will appear, but S equals to 1. This was a simple concept of our 2 is to 1 multiplexer. When the select line is 0, it will give the D naught. Okay, so 0, 1. D1 may be anything. It may be 0, 1, and this should be 0, 1. So I am not writing all 0, 1, 0, 1. All. Okay, and when the select line is 1, it will give the D1 value. So D1. So how to write the truth table? So the truth table can be write for this expression will be y equals to d naught into s complement, okay, plus d1 into s. Means very simple. What we are writing, when s bar is s is 0, means s complement, so it should be d naught. So here for the simple, when s is 0, y will give d naught. When the select line is 0, when the select line is 1, okay, so y will give d1. So this one is the simple concept of mux. Okay, this one is the truth table, and when s is 0, it will give d naught. So that's the truth table. Okay. Similarly, for s equals to 1, this should be y equals to d1. Okay. Now we have to go to the main problem. This one is the concept, means if you know. So now we can directly write for this output. So for this circuit, one can write y equals to I naught q bar plus, or sorry, better to write in terms of p, na, or better to write, sorry, I naught, okay, I naught q bar, for if I naught q bar plus I1 into q. Okay, so I naught is nothing but simply connected to ground, so 0 into q bar, and I1 is nothing but simply p, so we have to write p into q, so it should be 0. So answer should be p is to q. So the correct answer will be y is equals to pq. Very simple. If you know this concept, y equals to d naught s bar, so you have to write just I naught q bar Okay, then I1 into Q. Okay, these two table. Okay, then I naught is grounded, so 0 into Q bar plus PQ. So PQ is the answer. So PQ, it will nothing but simply a AND gate like a structure will work. So this is all about this simple question, but we have to careful about the concept of mux. If you know the concept, this concept, one can easily write the truth table. Okay, so now if this truth table we know, then we can easily write the final answer PQ. So a more question based on 2 is to 1 multiplexer, based on multiplexer is already given in my other video, so I will try to share the video in this description link of this video. So thank you for watching this video.